We can place single atoms, but we can't count them.
This one grain holds a number beyond imagination.
Weighing one molecule? It's impossible. We have units for everything, except the atomic world.
In 1811, Avogadro asked, a revolutionary, what if? What if the number of particles was the key? We needed a specific, colossal number, a new unit.
That number is 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd.
It's a number so vast, it defies everyday logic.
This 12-gram diamond is 1 mole of carbon atoms.
A mole can be of atoms, i.e., molecules, or formula units. Table salt isn't molecules, it's a repeating ionic lattice.
The mole is the bridge between the invisible and the weighable.
So, 24.3 grams of magnesium is exactly 1 mole of it. Every substance has this number, its molar mass.
Add Avogadro's number of silver atoms, get 108 grams.
But the true power is revealed in fire.
This equation is a recipe with precise mass instructions.
Your car runs on mole ratios, not just molecules.
But what happens if you get the recipe wrong?
Too much fuel? Not enough air. A weak reaction.
The perfect 2-to-1 ratio yields a powerful, clean burn. Some reactions are a two-way street, a dynamic balance. To escape Earth's gravity, you need perfect mole math.
Titration finds the exact point where moles are equal.
A tree is built by the mole-by-mole assembly of air.
Your body is a reactor, constantly balancing mole ratios.
The same reaction can be a fizz or an explosion.
Atoms are the ultimate currency. You can't create or destroy them. Chemistry is just the art of atomic rearrangement.
Get the mole ratio wrong, and everything fails.
The right ratio unlocks the power of the universe.
In medicine, 1,000th of a gram must be an exact number of moles. Even beauty in chemistry obeys the rules of the mole.
Your phone's battery life is a count of moving ions, a mole count. The equation for life itself is a stoichiometric masterpiece.
This is the most important product on Earth. Sports, industry, food, environment, all run on mole calculations.
One atom is nothing. A mole of them is everything. The mole lets us speak the same language across all scales of reality.
This isn't just lab work. This is the logic of our world. When you understand the mole, you see the world differently.
A chef uses recipes. A chemist uses balanced equations. This magical glow is just moles of molecules reacting in sync. The oceans contain 10,000 moles of water per sand grain. From abstract number to perfect, real-world engineering. We can even save history using the math of the mole. Climate change? It's a planetary-scale stoichiometry problem. The solutions will also be measured in moles captured. Life's unstoppable force is powered by mole-based chemistry. Count, weight, recipe. This is the framework of reality.
If this idea changed how you see the world, the journey is just beginning.
Subscribe for more secrets of the universe, decoded.
Up next, dive deeper into the math that builds worlds. Test your understanding. The answer's in the comments.
Like this video if it unlocked a new perspective for you. Turn on notifications so you never miss a moment of wonder.
From farms to galleries, this is the hidden language. Thanks to the giants, on whose shoulders we see this view. This blue marble, understood through a number. This is the power of the mole.